Hello and welcome you once again in this new session of English language. Today we are going to read about your chapter number 32, comprehensions. It is a comprehension about the amazing rainbow. Read the comprehension. You must have wondered many times how a rainbow appears in the sky after it has rained. Sunlight appears to be the white in color and the light in the seven colors mixed together to produce the white color. So there are seven colors in a rainbow, and these seven colors are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red, and it is also known as a Vibgeo. V for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, green for G, Y for yellow, orange for O, and red R. Rainbow can be seen in the sky after it rains because see the rainbow. You can see here the rainbow. It you can see after the rain because there are still millions of tiny droplets of the water that are in the air and they are too light to reach the ground. When sunlight passes through it, these drops it gets split into a seven colors and a rainbow is formed. Now you can see how many colors are there in sun. It's a seven. Why can't we see the separate colors of the sunlight? Because rainbow can be seen in the sky after it rained because they are still million in tiny droplets. There are still millions of tiny droplets ground. What happens the color when the sun rays passes to the raindrop? It's the seven colors of the rains. It comes through the as a rainbow. You can write here when the sunlight passes through this drop, it gets step into the seven color and the rain and a rainbow is formed. Okay, and the term Vibgyor means I have already said violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. So it is your hobbies an important skill. A hobby is something a person does when they want to relax and rest both body and mind. For instance, after returning from school, you may read book or you see the TV. Similarly, after your mother returns from work, she likes to watch some shows on television. Such activities are known as hobbies. These are known as hobbies. Whatever you do in your relaxed time, it is known as a hobbies. Your hobbies does not have to be anything related to your studies or work, but it is an activity that might help you in developing your skills and creativity. Different people have a different hobbies, like someone like a stamp collection, someone solve the crossword puzzles, some like to play games, singing, writing, etc. So a person whose hobby is painting will be more creative than others. Hobbies are essential for to complete the development of one's mind. A guitarist also likes to write song when he she has a free time. What hobby it is? Writing songs. Complete the sentence. A dash is something person do when they it is a hobby. Is something then and rest both body and mind. Then hobbies is an activity that might help in developing mind and creativity. Mind and creativity. So whatever your hobbies, you have to write here. If you like to, if you like to be a guitarist, or you like to sing a song, or you like to read a storybooks, So you have to write all this about 3 sentences in this paragraph. So student, now complete this work. We will meet in our next session with a new topic. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.